What we'll be talking about today, you do not need money or a large sum of capital to start this. All you need is an Android device, an iOS phone, and a WhatsApp account. So let's go there. If you want to start monetizing your WhatsApp, you need to create a group, create a following, try to upload every day and make it a consistent effort to always upload so your followers and your contacts will keep on searching and looking at what you are uploading. So let's talk about 3 ways you can start monetizing your WhatsApp. The first one is sponsor ad. You ask what is sponsor ad. All you need to do is to have a large amount of following, 10,000, 5,000, it all depends. Then you start approaching brands, approaching businesses and telling them I can market your product. I have about 10 to 50,000 people following me and they will need your product. I will post your product on my WhatsApp and you get sales. You can give it a try and then they'll start paying you for ads. The second one is called affiliate marketing. Most of us have always heard about affiliate marketing, but this you don't need much to give to get a profit from it. All you need is your time and consistency. You can find some affiliate companies online like Amazon, register with the affiliate group and start marketing products. For every sales, you can get 0.5 to 5% interest per sales. Then the last one we are going to talk about is called paid group or paid group. This is when you create a group that will learn from you. Okay, what are you specializing? Are you an artist? Are you a filmmaker? Are you a video editor who edits video, or do you make music? So you start telling your followers, like, if you want to learn more about what I do, you can join this paid group where you can subscribe every month, and I will keep teaching you on how to do this. So many people do this, teaching people how to manage your YouTube account, how to sell online, how to make bags, how to make or draw anything. So what you do is this: you create that group, you tell your followers, like, I have a paid group now of which I can teach you on what to do.